All right, guys, today I'm taking you behind the scenes for yet another photo shoot. This time we are doing rollers. So we are headed up to do a photo shoot up in the mountains. This one was thanks to the gracious invite of my buddy Fu. You can find him at Fushizi on Instagram. Genius name, love that. Anyway, he's got one of the most sought after cars in general, but sort of my unicorn car, one of the cars, maybe a handful of cars I would definitely consider getting rid of this car to get, which is a absolutely beautiful 997 GT3 in white. He's got some amazingly sick BTS E88s. It's just an awesome spec. So he has been working with a local photographer, Mitchell. I'll also leave his handle for Instagram here on the video to do a bunch of photos. They have come out super awesome. Really impressed with all that. And he reached out and said, hey, I'm doing some rollers in the mountains. Do you want to come up? Let's do like a black and white theme thing. So the black 991, the white GT3, it should make for some amazing pictures. So thanks again, Fu, for inviting me along. And I'm going to take you guys along to show you what goes into capturing those amazing rollers that you guys see on Instagram and on other social platforms, because needless to say, they are not easy to get. So stay tuned. I'll take you through exactly how you get them. All right, Fu leading the way. Got a little gas, heading up to the mountain. So we're gonna stop at a brewery, meet up with a camera crew, and then go from there. All right, so this is how you know you're working with a good photographer for something like this, especially rollers, when they bring radios. So I've definitely been on plenty of shoots without these, trying to coordinate by screaming out a window, wind blowing in your face. Very, very smart. So got radios. We are making our way up to the mountains with pickup truck, photographers, and our cars. So here we go. All right, stop to get all rigged up. So let's get the truck set and get going.
That lines up with his asshole. Perfect. Perfect. That all makes sense now. Birds. Saying something.
That says something about him. All right, guys, here we go. Run number one. All right, that was run number one, success. I think we got a lot of good stuff. A couple with all three, a couple individual, so.
I saw you that one time.
Yeah, my legs are completely up. Let's see what I got so far. A lot of them are going to have few glories off the blade. I ain't worried about fitting in the V, going right to the Benjamin. And the way my diamonds hit real sunny, you run out of time, better get you some money. I don't know who is you, me, I pulled up, the Louis fit real smutty. I remember back then, she was fine with the kid, and the bitch trying to give me cutty. Baby, hate on the kid, cause I'm getting back in, that's just how it is, she's funny. Little fake, bitch, I hold her, love me, I just hit the stage, but I hold her with me. Got it from the spray, they all work for me. Oh, that's so big, put the girl on change, I will click twice. All this ice got them acting funny. Pockets right, I don't need your advice.
right, guys, we just wrapped up. It was late. It was a full day, but huge shout out to the photography crew. It was a blast. Got some epic shots, so super excited about those. Hopefully that was cool to kind of go along and understand how you get these rollers. It's not easy. It takes a lot of work, and stay tuned for the next video for drives, photo shoots, DIY, build series, you name it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and enjoy what we got from today's drive.